Earning as much as $25 to $30 has rarely even been done this quickly and easily, and with this special strategy that we're going to teach you, you'll be able to do just that again and again with no sweat. You can even do this every day without so much as batting an eye and do this anywhere in the world. Still don't believe us? Well, stick around and prepare to have your expectations blown wide open because we're here to show you how to do just that. Welcome to Daily Payday, the only channel you'll ever need to visit to get the best tips and tricks on how to make money online and easily. Be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get updates on any new upcoming videos, community posts, and more awesome and profitable content and strategies coming your way. Today, we're going to talk about how you start just typing one word into a box and clicking a few buttons and end up earning $25 to $30 per word while doing it. However, you do have to set things up for this to work properly so that you can start earning money just like that. We at Daily Payday will explain to you the step-by-step process of how to get things running and start earning money fast. Keep in mind that signing up to the website in this video is absolutely free, and you don't need to invest any money, nor do you need any writing skills to get the gears turning on this money machine. Heck, you can't even just copy and paste a single word if you don't want to type it yourself. But we do have to repeat the things needed to be set up before we can start earning money from what we are doing. So what are we waiting for? Well, we know you're eager to get the ball rolling and start learning how you can earn decent money with nearly no effort. But before anything, be sure to leave a like on the video if you appreciate what we at Daily Payday do for you. Leave any concerns, suggestions for video ideas, remarks, or like down in the comments. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more information about money-making strategies that can make you wads of cash easily. And ring the notification bell for more updates on new video strategies and the like coming your way every week. With that out of the way, let's get to work, shall we? Sit back, breathe, get out your pen and paper, and prepare to take notes. Let's do this. The main tools we'll be using for this strategy and the first website we'll be visiting for this guide is MotionDan, a site where you'll go on to create simple videos with a single word in it. All you need to do is type a single word and the site will make professional-looking, high-quality videos for you, and after this, we're going to show you how you can get paid using those videos you created using that website. Remember that each video you create using that website will net you $25 to $30 per video. Sounds easy, right? Well, it is. So again, we're going to be using MotionDan as one of our tools for creating awesome-looking videos, as seen on the website description over here, which we'll be using to earn $25 to $30 each video. Do note that you don't need to be a professional editor to carry out this plan. Also, you don't need to have a camera, as you won't be filming anything, and you won't need to show your face in this strategy. All you'll need to do is type in one single word, and you don't even have to change what word you use. You can use the same word over and over again and you'll still be able to make money from this method. Choose the video template that you like the most. Customize it using MotionDan's online video editor, and watch the website generate your video instantly. You won't have to wait around for the video to get finished, so this means that you can start making money as soon as possible, even today. It really can't get easier than this, and all this from just repeatedly copy-pasting a single word. We're going to show you how it works and explain to you how this gets you paid, so stick around for full explanation. So we're here at motiondan.com right now. Once you've arrived here yourself, you just have to follow our instructions in this video to the letter and you'll know what you need to do and how to make money from this. First of all, head to the homepage of motiondan.com. Once you're there, click on the Get Started button and sign up for an account on MotionDan. You can either sign up normally or create an account using your Facebook or Google accounts by linking them with MotionDan. Personally, we think that linking your Facebook or Google accounts is generally easier and faster than signing up manually via email and entering your details because it only requires a few clicks for it to be done just like that. But the choice is up to you. There's also the option of subscribing to their email list, and we personally recommend that you untick that box because it can end up just filling up your inbox just like other newsletters. But the choice is also yours to make. Once you're done signing up your account, which would probably take less than a minute if you decided to link our Facebook or Google accounts to MotionDan, you can now sign into your account and start browsing all of the options available. Now, once you've signed up onto MotionDan, you'll have a plethora of unique video templates that you can use to make some really good-looking and professional videos in less than a minute just by typing one single word into the videos. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you should see the different types and categories of videos that you can create using MotionDan's tools. For example, you can create promotional videos, intro videos, typography videos, animated videos, gaming videos, infographic videos, and even real estate videos. There are a lot of different formats and templates that you can play with, and each of them can help you produce high-quality, professional videos that can even involve some 3D animation. You can easily use these to make money, and we'll get to explaining how that can happen later in this video. But before we continue, we'd like to know how you're finding the video so far. Are you enjoying the video? Do you find it informative? Are there any remarks or suggestions you can give us for our format or even video ideas? Don't be afraid to leave them down in the comment section of the video. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like these. Back to our guide. We're going to explain how you can use these templates to great effect in creating good-looking videos that you can use to earn some money. There's this one service that we're going to emphasize and focus on in this video, and that service is going to be what will get you paid for those words that you type to create those high-quality videos. For this guide, we're going to suggest that you focus on intros and outros. We want you to forgo using the other categories because intros and outros are the easiest videos to edit. And easy-to-edit videos are the best ones that'll help you earn around $25 to $30 or more for typing or pasting a single word. So go select Intro Templates. Clicking that selection will bring you to a list of templates for intro videos that you can browse from and choose a favorite. Once you make your selection, you can then click on it and select that template, and then click on Edit this video to start editing. Once we've started editing, you'll see a text box in the middle of the video, and now all you need to do is open and edit that text box by pasting the word you'd like to add there. Don't worry about using certain words. You can use any word for this, and it should still work fine. Once you input the word in your text box, you'll then have to click Save, then click Make Video, and that's it. Now the site should be instantly generating your video for you. The videos you create on this site can be repeatedly sold for $25 to $30. And we're going to show you where and how you can do just that. People are already making money off of this exact strategy every single day, and we think that it's time for you to jump on the bandwagon as well. But before we do that, what are your thoughts on the video and the strategy so far? Do you guys have any particular reactions to the strategy in the video? Be sure to let us know in the comments down below. Once you're done generating the video, you can return to the dashboard. Here, you'll notice that the video is now rendering. Great! Now all you have to do is wait for the video to finish. It only took a single word typed into a text box, and some buttons clicked for a high-quality video that you've edited to be created. Anyway, let's try and repeat this process one more time, but with a different template. Once we're back here at the template selection page, we can head back into intros or outros and select another template. Once you're there, click the Edit this video button, and once you've hit the editing page for the intro or outro video, start typing. You can even do more than just typing. Even add a logo that you like. This is optional though, and you can just go on ahead after typing your word. Click Save, then Make Video, and there's your second video. Now with these two videos, you can go ahead and make money on a separate website, which we'll be taking you to. Before that though, here's your reminder to like this video if you're enjoying it, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed to us. The more attention and love our videos get, the more money-making tips and strategies we'll be able to bring your way. Now back to the video. Our next platform to visit is Quicken Gigs. Quicken Gigs is similar to Fiverr.com in that it's a freelance services marketplace where people can go to and sell their services for a decent price. But why share about Quicken Gigs when Fiverr is another alternative? Well, Quicken Gigs is not as competitive a marketplace as Fiverr is. So, in a way, you can find greener pastures over at Quicken Gigs than on Fiverr. Demand for services on Quicken Gigs is high, but there are a lower number of vendors on the site, so you could probably find higher paying offers for your services. You can join this website and possibly be able to sell loads of your videos without having to be an established seller. There aren't many people on Quicken Gigs offering services for editing intros and outros, but the people who are offering those services on Quicken Gigs are making decent money per video. You can also visit other sites like People Per Hour or even Fiverr if you consider it a better option. Now, once someone wants to buy your services, you simply ask them what words they want into the intro, and you can simply place those words in the text box of the intro templates you have. Make the video in MotionDan and download it to submit to your client. You will have to pay $9 per video, but you can pay later once you get a sale. And when you're making around $25 to $30, even $40 from each, $9 isn't that bad of a cost. And later down the line, you can remove the 5-video limit by investing in the yearly plan. And that's the plan. Make a portfolio of videos using MotionDan. Find clients on freelance websites. Make their specified videos using MotionDan. Get paid. Then pay MotionDan for their work. It's a win-win situation. That's all we have for you today on Daily Payday. Please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching our video, and we'll see you next time.